Welcome back. Today we explore Unit 4, Topic 4, the role of political party systems. How parties shape politics, government, and citizen engagement. Political parties perform vital functions. They organize elections and mobilize voters, aggregate and articulate political interests, provide candidates for office, form governments and create policy, and offer a link between citizens and the state. Parties represent groups and ideologies, helping citizens influence government decisions. They also hold governments accountable by providing opposition and alternatives in elections. Party systems contribute to political stability by organizing competition and structuring government formation. In multi-party systems, coalitions foster compromise. In two-party systems, power alternates peacefully. Parties socialize citizens into political culture by educating and mobilizing voters, integrating diverse groups, and encouraging political participation. A look at our AP6 countries. The United Kingdom's parties organize government and opposition. In Mexico, parties mobilize diverse ethnic and regional groups. And in Nigeria, parties reflect ethnic and regional divisions. Political parties are central to democratic governance, shaping representation, accountability, stability, and participation. Your reflection question: how do parties in your country connect citizens to the government? Up next, we'll look at Unit 4, Topic 5, Impact of Social Movements and Interest Groups, or how social movements and interest groups shape politics, influence policy, and challenge governments. Thank you for watching. Keep making connections across regimes. Please like and subscribe for future videos.